Classminds Spellathon Season 2, Entry Level Round 1. Participant number CMS 21A10067. Let's begin.
Rishwita, are you feeling excited?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. Let's begin.
Your
Yes.
first word to spell is aircraft.
Aircraft. A-I-R-C-R-A-F-T. Aircraft.
That is correct.
Your next word is instrument.
Can you repeat it?
The word is instrument.
Insurance. Is the word insurance?
I'll repeat the word again. The word is instrument.
Instrument. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T.
That is correct. Good job.
Your next word is needle.
Needle. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle.
That is correct.
Your next word is property.
Property. P-R-O P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y. Property.
Unfortunately, that is incorrect because you can only spell the word once. The correct spelling is P-R-O-P-E-R-T-Y, property. But make sure you only spell the word once.
Your next word to spell is cousin.
Cousin. C-O-U-S-I-N. Cousin.
That is correct.
Your next word is garden.
Can you repeat it?
The word is garden.
Garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. Garden.
That is correct.
Your next word is remember.
Remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R.
That is
Remember.
Your next word is double.
Double. D-O-U-B-L-E. Double.
that is correct.
Your next word is absent.
Absent. A-B-S-E-N-T. Absent.
That is correct.
Your next word is enjoyment.
Enjoyment. E-N-J-O. J-O-Y-M-E-N-T.
Unfortunately, that is incorrect because, again, you can only spell the word once. The correct spelling of enjoyment is E-N-J-O-Y-M-E-N-T. But great job, Rishwita. You have scored a total of 8 out of 10 in level 1 of the competition. Amazing job.
Great job.